Hey everyone! Welcome to an enchanting journey through one of the most magical places on Earth. Tucked away in the awesome Himalayas in Himachal Pradesh, India, is the super cool Parvati Valley, a place that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Imagine a place with huge, snowy mountains touching the sky, their peaks glistening in the sunlight, bright green forests all around, teeming with life and vibrant colors, and a crystal clear river flowing right through the middle. That's Parvati Valley. It's like nature turned up the volume to 11, offering a sensory overload of beauty and tranquility. This valley is perfect if you want some peace and quiet, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, or if you're looking for adventure with countless trails and paths to explore. Imagine the sound of rushing water and the smell of pine trees filling the air with a refreshing aroma. Take a deep breath of that fresh mountain air, so pure and invigorating, and feel all your worries disappear. Time slows down here, allowing you to truly connect with nature. It's like a big, comfy hug for your soul, wrapping you in warmth and serenity. This valley has always been a special place for people who love nature and spirituality, a sanctuary for the soul. The magic isn't just in the mountains and rivers, but in every element that makes up this stunning landscape, and also in the people who live there, whose smiles and warmth add to the valley's charm. They've lived close to nature for a long, long time, preserving their unique way of life. Their traditions are all about living with the valley's rhythm, in harmony with the natural world. When you visit, you'll see friendly faces and feel super welcome, as if you've always belonged here. You'll get to learn about their culture and find all the hidden secrets that make this place so special, each one a story waiting to be discovered. Parvati Valley is a place to find yourself again, to reconnect with your inner peace and purpose. You can have adventures and relax all in the same place, making it a perfect destination for everyone. Whether you're a pro trekker or it's your first time, there's something for everyone, from easy hikes to challenging treks. So come on, let's get lost in the magic of Parvati Valley, a place where every corner holds a new wonder, and let its beauty blow you away. This is a journey you'll never forget. We'll start our trip in the fun little town of Kasol, sometimes called the mini Israel of India. This charming town is nestled in the lush green Parvati Valley, surrounded by majestic mountains and dense forests. It's right next to the Parvati River, and it's the perfect place to begin our trek. The river's soothing sounds and the fresh mountain air create a serene atmosphere that is hard to resist. Kasol is famous for its mix of different cultures. The streets are always bustling with a diverse crowd, from local Himachali people to international travelers. Lots of Israeli travelers love its natural beauty and chill vibes, and they've definitely left their mark. You'll often hear Hebrew being spoken and see signs in Hebrew around town. Walk down the little streets of Kasol and you'll smell delicious pastries and Israeli food. The aroma of freshly baked goods and exotic spices fills the air, making it impossible to resist trying some. Cute cafes with colorful paintings and awesome views invite you to relax and enjoy. These cafes are perfect spots to unwind, sip on a hot cup of coffee, and take in the stunning mountain scenery. The shops are full of bright clothes, handmade jewelry, and cool souvenirs. You can find unique items that reflect the local culture and the artistic spirit of the town. You'll definitely want to take a piece of Kasol home with you. Whether it's a handcrafted necklace or a vibrant scarf, these souvenirs will remind you of your time in this magical place. Besides the yummy food and cool vibes, Kasol is also a great base camp for trekkers. The town is a starting point for many popular treks, offering a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. You can get everything you need here, like supplies, and get used to the height before you start your adventure. The local shops are well stocked with trekking gear, ensuring you're fully prepared for the journey ahead. Whether you want to experience the local culture, relax, or start an amazing trek, Kasol has it all. This vibrant gateway offers something for everyone, making it a must-visit destination in the Himalayas. Our trek from Kasol deeper into Parvati Valley is a chill 3-day trip, perfect for beginners. The trail goes through beautiful places, green meadows, thick forests, and cute villages. It's not too high up, and the paths are easy to follow, so it's good even if you haven't trekked much before. But don't think easy means boring. Every step shows you a new, amazing view. You'll want to take pictures all the time. The sound of the Parvati River will be with you the whole way, like a beautiful song echoing through the valley. This trek is perfect for escaping the busy city. As you enjoy the quiet of nature, you'll feel super peaceful. The fresh mountain air will wake you up, and the amazing views will amaze you. This trek isn't just about getting to the end, it's about enjoying every step of the way. You can visit Parvati Valley any time of year, but each season is different and special. Each season offers a unique experience, making it a year-round destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Spring from March to May brings the valley to life with colorful wildflowers. The vibrant hues of the flowers create a picturesque landscape that is perfect for photography and nature walks. The air is fresh and cool, just right for trekking. The moderate temperatures make it an ideal time for outdoor activities without the intense heat of summer or the chill of winter. Summer, from June to August, is warm and sunny, perfect for exploring higher up in the valley. The long days give you plenty of time to hike and explore, and the higher altitudes offer a refreshing escape from the heat. The monsoon season, from July to September, makes everything super green, with waterfalls everywhere. The rains rejuvenate the valley, creating a lush, vibrant environment that is both beautiful and serene. Autumn, from October to November, is probably the most magical time to go. The crisp air and the changing colors of the leaves create a fairy tale-like atmosphere that is perfect for a peaceful retreat. The leaves change to bright gold, red and orange, making everything look amazing. The stunning fall foliage provides a breathtaking backdrop for your adventures. The weather is still nice for trekking, and the clear skies give you awesome views of the snowy mountains. The visibility during autumn is often the best, offering panoramic views that are simply unforgettable. Winter, from December to February, covers the valley in white snow, like a winter wonderland. The snow transforms the valley into a serene and tranquil place, perfect for those who enjoy the quiet beauty of winter landscapes. Whenever you decide to trek in Parvati Valley, you'll have an amazing time. Each season offers its own unique charm and opportunities for adventure. Just make sure you pack the right clothes for the season and be ready for the weather to change. Layering is key, as temperatures can vary greatly throughout the day and night. Nature does its own thing, so being flexible is important for a fun and successful trek. Embrace the unpredictability, and you'll find that every moment in Parvati Valley is a memorable adventure.